bonnet today. Today's wig is from Outre. It is the sleek laid part in the style Genevieve in the color number 2, and she is 22 inches. And there she is on the stock card. And she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And with the thing with the sleek lay part is that she is supposed to just lay very flat on your head and not really have all that humpiness. But just to be on the safe side, I am gonna go ahead and plug in my hot comb just in case I need to go over her with any heat. All right, you guys, so this is Genevieve straight out of the pack. She kind of has a beach wave curl going on here. Right, this is her parting space right out of the pack. Her parting space looks really good. And this is what we're getting for the hairline here. She also comes with your baby hairs, and then inside of the cap you just get the one lace parting, 2 combs in the front. You also get a comb in the back as well as adjustable straps. And the cap does look like, this cap kind of looks like a small cap. The texture of the hair is like a light yaki texture, and I know with all the lights it does look like she's coming off a little bit shiny, but she actually has a really nice natural luster to her. It actually looks like silk pressed hair, so really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace, and I'll come back and I'll show you guys what she looks like with just the lace cut and no manipulation to the wig yet. All right, you guys, so this is the wig straight out of the pack. I haven't done anything to it except for cut the lace, and I did put some powder in my part beneath the lace. And this is what the hair is looking like right out of the pack. I do have my hot comb plugged in because I am going to be flattening out the top of this unit. It does come somewhat flat, but I do want to just make it flatter as well. And the hairline, this is what the hairline is giving. It stops about right here, and it gives, this is the hairline right here. So I will be laying some baby hairs. I will not be plucking. You could definitely go in and pluck some with this wig. I'm just not about to do that, so yeah. But this is the length of the hair on me, and let's go ahead and get this thing together and see what we can make it look like.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. Back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Don't let somebody some next up. Be damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. Another level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fuck him, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say you been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping.
Genevieve. All right, you guys, so here are my final thoughts on Genevieve. I think she's a gorgeous unit. However, and this is just personal preference, I had to put in a little bit more work than I would have liked to with Genevieve. And even the work that I did put in, I feel like more needs to go into it. Like, I feel like the hairline could be plucked a little bit better. I did not pluck anything except for around my baby hairs were, and they're still a little thick, but I did pluck some hair just out of the baby hairs that I had laid. But the hairline could be plucked a little bit better, but you can definitely wear her like this. She is still beautiful like this, but you may want to just go in and just pluck it just a little bit more. I'm just not going to, because with these wig reviews, I try to make them simple installs for everyone. And not only that, like I said before, I'm a lazy wig wearer, so I tend to go towards units where I don't have to put a lot of work in. But other than that, I think that Genevieve is a beautiful unit. I do really like her in this color right here. I like the length of the unit. I think the length is like the perfect length for every day. She does not tangle. I have not gotten one tangle from Genevieve. I did get a little bit of shedding, but I think that is just from me going in, cutting the lace, and then plucking the just the two little areas for my baby hairs. Other than that, I'm not. Okay, I am getting, there's 2 strands there. So the shedding is very, very minimum, and I'm not getting any tangling, and I think it's because of the texture of the wig, and then also because it is not too long. But other than just me being lazy and just not wanting to go in and put in a whole lot of work into her, I think she's a beautiful unit, and I could see myself purchasing her in different colors. I just know I have to go in with that mindset that I'm going to have to put a little bit of work into that hairline, and that's really it. Tell me what you guys think about this unit down in the comments. Also, if there's any units that you want me to review here on my channel, please definitely let me know. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please also be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can come hang out with me all the time, and I will see you guys in the next one.